I love your new hair, Alexander. You look so good. You ready for your diaper change? I bought a new build plate after I realized that the old one is getting scratched and it's actually not even the right dimensions, so this one's working much better now. So let's go ahead and just reprint that.
They're helpers, teacher helpers. I don't know what they're called.
It is Saturday activity day. We finished up karate. And now we're at the pool. Daniel's getting swim lessons. Alex is up next. And we're all just having a bit of a swim and a bob. Swim and a bob.
Oh, yeah, he could be on it. Yep. Daniel!
Wow! Alex.
The only color I need more of is black, because I've been using black for everything.
I have double sunglasses.
Are these the sunglasses, boys?
Yes. Oh, yeah, goblin.
Look at this cool kid. How cool are you? Really cool?
Oh,
Do you want me to go get another camera? I'm gonna go get another lens.
Let me out the way.
Take him to the library. Did you get a good book, Alex? Did you get a good book, Daniel? Let's see your books.
Blippi Mighty Express.
Wow.
If you guys want to run, you can run.
Yeah.
There's nobody here.
You can run on the grass too. Porque si están en corto. Corta, Alex. ¿Se puede correr? O le duele la patita todavía.
You're getting dizzy going back and forth? Hey.
Izquierda.
There you go. Can you hold my hand, please? Thank you.
Go over there.
No los veo. Los oigo, pero no los veo.
What's fine?
No, you don't.
Yes?
This is how everybody plays it. 2, 1, 2, 1, like that.
But that's not how I...
Really?
After my favorite meal, I'm going to do a somersault. And an acrobatic trick. Just don't monster. Hide your CB. Let's do it again. Look at mine.
Yeah. Yeah, and I get less dedicated to it too. Like I just don't. Va a ser un desastre.
When I do 3D prints and masks like this, I feel like I'm like a baker. Fresh out of the oven, we got a bunch of new Lego pieces.
Lay down your sleepy head. You've had a fun-filled day, but now it's time for bed.